Hey YouTubers, Vinny's doing pretty well. Still waiting to do a follow-up with the vet because we've had a huge snowstorm and the voice and I have both been as sick as dogs.
Okay, that's the door. Get out. Holy snikes. Gotta dig our way out. Alright, did that. That's good enough. I'm still sick. Still feel like not good. But I ain't getting out of the car and out of the driveway anytime soon.
And let's look at some snow, and then I'm going to try to add some stuff to it later today.
Crazy. This is a UP. This is what you'd see up and out Noggin. Alright, let's try that again. Oh, it's windy. It's just windy. I was gonna traipse through that, but you know, I've been sick for over a week. Influenza A is nothing to F around with. Got us both kicked on our butts. Got a lot of snow. Let's see what happens.
This isn't a video I wanted to make, but with as sick as I've been, this is a video I was able to make. So, sorry and hope you enjoy or whatever. I guess I should say right at this point, the UP ain't for everybody. And this is the lower UP along Lake Michigan, so it's not as bad as you get up into Keweenaw or nothing. But if you don't like snow, don't come up here. I've been up here for parts of a few winters now, and this is the most single day snowfall that we've had, about a foot. And I'll remind you again, a foot isn't a lot for the UP. You go to some areas and they laugh at how little snow we get around here in the banana belt. Hey, but I always intend to try to keep some positivity, so there are no mosquitoes or black flies right now. Honest, if I wasn't so darn sick, I'd be thrilled right now.
Oh, probably shouldn't be doing that with a bad case of influenza A still going on, but that's that. That's a lot of snow. That's why they call them blizzards. But that little thing is punching above its weight, that's for sure. But I got a lot more to do. I need a break. Alright, so what else I gotta do is I gotta go back further. You know, I gotta give it more space over here too, because there'll be more snow this winter. And if you don't keep pushing it back further, then you'll run out of space. Like, yeah, we might go for a ride soon, but today's the 31st. Hopefully I get this out before New Year, before 2026. But Starting to feel better, but I'm still not totally healthy yet.
You did nothing wrong.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah. We're still sick, YouTubers. I thought she was doing better.
I'm okay.
You sound like crap.
Thanks.
Well, you do. You sound terrible. We're going down by the lake. This snow happened a couple days ago, and that shows how sick we've been. That normally we'd be out playing in this, looking at it and stuff. It took me, well, I don't know. It took me 2 days to shovel. There's kids out tubing and having fun. Can't see.
Oh, yeah. Kids are sledding.
So it's nothing earth shattering. We're just going to drive around a little bit and show you the snow up here in the Escanaba Gladstone area of Michigan's Upper Peninsula. We didn't get it as bad as Marquette. But before this, I just showed them me trying to snow blow a foot of snow in the back. A foot of snow is about the limit for that little electric snow blower.
Yeah.
But it did it. Then a neighbor used a... Looky. I wouldn't go out ice fishing, but I'm sure people are. Oh my goodness. We're going to go by the House of Ludington to see how it's doing. We're trying to coordinate a new plow guy for the Voice's mom because the new guy she found just wasn't very good at it. So it's very important to have a good plow person up here. Our intent was to drive by the House of Ludington that burnt down a little bit ago, but they got the roads all blocked off, so we can't really show it to you. So this is what they do till they can get it done. They pile it in the center, then they'll come with a big truck and load it all, a big dump truck, load all the snow in it and take it down by the lake. So again, this is a couple days after, a straight up blizzard. I mean, there was like no visibility. The Voice's mom was without power for about a day. And luckily she's got a gas fireplace, so she was safe. And, couldn't even, we couldn't have went and help her if we wanted to. One, we were sick. And two, getting plowed, it takes a while to get people plowed out after a storm like that. So you got to be careful because people are trying not to get hit. Oh my goodness.
This is a lot of snow for one storm for us.
Yeah. You might be watching this and be nothing like me, but I still think this is beautiful. Showing you the downtown is way better than just going to silly Walmart parking lot.
Well, we're driving around Escanaba right now, and there's so much snow. It's crazy. I mean, thank goodness that this was the first storm, and this hasn't been happening over and over again. Because it's gonna be rough if we get more snow like this.
That's a lot of snow. Just decided that we wanted to come to show you the House of Ludington, but they still have that whole area blocked off, so you can't really get in front of that. So we're just tooling around, see where we're going. It's 18 degrees, so it's warmed up a little. This is what I've been looking forward to. I just didn't want to be sick. Here's a UP fairground. Ain't gonna be any RV show this year because they gone. At least they tried doing that, you know. Rando streets. Get a voice. Not everybody likes winter. I like winter.
Pigeons. Trying to stay warm.
Going to the store to get some more medicines. Wish I had my Mustang still. We'd have a blast. Going down the road sideways. Wishing America's happy New Year. Ooh, my butt's warm. It looks like we're gonna get more. That sky looks ominous. Very ominous. But there's a lot of people that must plow, you know what I mean? Because all these businesses got to get plowed, you know?
Yeah.
There's got to be a lot of people, right? Like how many businesses even could somebody be able to plow? It would take you like, whoever does Walmart probably comes over at like 3 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the morning, you know, and that's got to take them hours. Then if you get people that don't put their, you know, got their cars in your way trying to plow. So I would assume almost everybody you see driving around with a plow is making money.
It's that new place that's supposed to be an Amazon warehouse or something.
Oh, that's right.
Distribution. Amazon distribution.
Doesn't make sense. We'll see. Meyer. Yeah, look how high the snow is piled here at Meyer.
Yeah, it's pretty tall.
That's pretty high. You would think you'd really mess up your vehicle. You know what I mean?
Well, it might be a big.
I would, a front loader or something's coming in here. All right, so we got to watch some pretty cool videos of the storm up here in the UP. They closed the whole UP basically for a day. Everywhere got closed. But you ain't gonna see that cool video from me because we didn't do that. Other than some tall snowbanks right now, and that's about it. But
It's a mess.
it is a little bit
We're
of a
not
mess.
used to it anymore, you know?
Yeah, it's been a while since we had that much snow. And now we wait. Stop recording. That was a long wait. My oh my. They put a quick trip in here. In a really inconvenient location for an already inconvenient location for a lot of other stuff that
Congested.
yeah, it makes it even more congested. Everybody's sitting in line to get their Starbucks. Thank you, no.
never understood why people are paying $9, $10 for a friggin' horrible coffee.
I don't get it. I don't
I
understand.
don't get it, but they'll wait around the block for it.
No thanks.
Nope. I don't know what else we got. So I'm gonna say I hope you enjoyed. There should be another videos one of these days. Don't forget healthy. I feel like I got something worth sharing. Well, I can't guarantee I'll have something worth sharing, but I'll probably share something. Till then, be safe. Have a happy new year. Be nice to everybody. Don't be a jerk. Should be a t-shirt. Don't be we'll say jerk instead of other words. Okay, look at this snow. So have a great and wonderful day and new year. I do have with my cold or flu or whatever I got a canker sore on my tongue about the size of a silver dollar. That's always nice. You should get Oven King. If you come to Escanaba, Michigan, Oven King is the best place to get pizza, I think. Don't you think?
Great.
Yep. Good pizza, good people.
Good people.
Good
They are.
people.
Give them your business.
Yep.
They deserve it. They're good to their customers.
Yeah. Hey, we wanted to show you again. Look how high this is higher than the car. We were going to show you the House of Ludington, but then I realized it's too cold and I feel like crap. So have a great and wonderful day.